Straight motherfucking ballin'. Part 2, still ballin'. Corrupt up in this motherfucker.
Shooting.
West side.
Oh, Bama in the house. What's up, buddy? You don't sound like you down here. Around the way.
Still heavy in this game, can you feel me? Blame it on my mama, I'm a thug nigga. Before the sun rise, quicker than the drug dealers, tell me if it's on. Nigga, then we first up on bust on these bitch made niggas, sit them up. West side, ain't nobody love me as a broke nigga. Finger on the trigger, Lord forgive me if I smoke niggas. I let my female strap, the fucking from the back. I get my currency in stacks. California's where I'm at, riding. Pass by while these niggas wonder why I got shot but didn't die. Let them see who's next to try. Did I cry? Hell nah, nigga, tears shed. For all my homies in the pen, many peers dead, niggas still ballin'. Till the day I die, you can bring your crew, but we remain true, motherfuckers still ballin'.
Oh, Bama in the house.
They done did it, let the dog out the cage. I'm pumped, dumped with the gauge. I done did it all. Everywhere I go, I ball. Precise, keep my game tight, or for sure I fall. I'm the invincible. And since the top principles loot, like the heat to the mark, who got the heart to shoot? I get stitches. Played a game of BB bridges when I was young, dreaming about money, fame, and bitches.
See, sometimes people think they can be you better than
Slowly
you can
as
be
time
you.
passes, I found
Every time they
nothing
pay you,
but
I'ma
money
be
rules,
you.
time and
Fuck
space.
that.
And in this realm, my thoughts while the fucking murders take place. And I'm in it to win it. I'm out to get paid, got all these bitches on my dick from all the money I made. It's a trade I've acquired. Growing up, inspired naturally, I don't give a fuck. A murderer for high,
Still ballin' till the day I die.
I got some change, travel 2 names. Blackberry doing my thing. I've been pushing them things. Pushing it, pushing it, pushing it, pushing it, pushing it. I've been doing my thing.
Motherfuckers don't come, so they run into their graves watch. Swoop down with my nigga from the back, cause corrupt don't give a fuck when you coward niggas now blast. Keep pumping, ain't worry about nothing but the story was fun.
Take me, everybody blame me. Praying till I'm prayed out, won't bring them back. They say my life is amazing. Funny, been a question, kinda wonder how I made it. Forrest Gump and I got something in common. The world treats you different. We ain't booted up on Miley, we don't do shrooms. All we do is pass gas, loud as skills. Twin turbo 911, make it boom boom. We in all black, my mechanic make the tool move. Say you sip lean, yeah I do too. I ain't tryna hit your cup, nigga, do you? I'm Michael Jackson, I'm reincarnated. I channel this spirit like Ali the greatest. Medicine on marijuana, am I medicated? Aerosmith jaded. She look like Nala when she got on top of me. I gazed in her eyes and responded, can we go half on the baby? Broke another fingernail, scratching on my back. Navel to the ceiling when I'm pushing on a pelvis. See my tattoo of Elvis when I'm tearing up a cat. She tell I'm a perfect imperfection. My craft has been perfected and I just need affection. Emotionally, I'm an introvert, but it come off as aggression. No one understand me and everybody can't be slow. It's refreshing to find someone who think like me, so I can't be wrong. I'm a perfect imperfection and I don't find interest in the radio. Sometimes I get high, watch the time pass by like away we go. Is it okay to cry when you dying inside?
For me, not contemptuously placed in a situation by not only the court, but to my so-called fam, which I now see that they are just there because they want to get in. My guard was down. Both times I went to lockdown over the past 2 years, and that's when they flaunt when I'm gone. Then upon my arrival back home, dressing with your wicked regimen, now questioning even my loyalty. Got me questioning your loyalty. Royalty is what many see, yet people think it's free. Then for instance, take me not knowing my worth. I know that you're legion, and the ones that say in their song you shouldn't bite the hand that feeds you.
Doing shrooms, trip for days, 18, the facts in the practice.
I'm in the space and you think that I'm pushing. Make a mistake if you think that I'm pushing.
Thug life and dog pound on this midnight ride. Ever since we hit the road, we got stationed with no hesitation. Make moves, nigga, Mr. Too Smooth, the elaborate. You're slow like motion. Focus on the money that's made and sip on this poisonous potion. Plan my get you got too much heat, too hot. Get shanked, get shot, indulging in this poisonous plot. Fame and fortune from game, weed and zags, endless amounts of cash. Jags, it's all the same. Ain't shit ever gonna change as long as there's money to exchange, nigga.
To get everything I wanted in this life.
Till the day I die, you can bring your crew, but we remain true, motherfuckers still ballin'. Niggas wonder why. You can bring your crew, but we remain true, motherfuckers still ballin'.
Tell my baby it'll be another late night.
Sometimes I get high, watch the time pass by like away we go. Is it okay to cry when you dying inside? It seems like codeine is